quick video of what not to do with your pond. Try and get the leaves before that happens, because once that happens, it's basically a giant tea bag that's going to turn your water black. It'll come back in the spring if you do a water change and put the right treatment in, but you want to avoid that. Kind of got away from me this year. You can see my waterfall is just trickling. I got to get this net off of here before the cold weather sets in and my pond freezes. So today's the day we're going to stop the waterfall, get the leaves out, and say goodbye to the backyard water garden for the season. So after I took off the net, that's what you got. Looks like the Black Lagoon. Again, we'll get it back in the spring. The fish are about ready to hibernate. Stop feeding them. So it's a sad day, but at the same time, it's time. So we'll see you guys next season. And until next time, enjoy your backyard water garden.